Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Computer Tips and Trick. So today we're going to look at how to extract text from an image. So what we'll be using to do this is Google Drive. So if you already have a Gmail account, so automatically you have a Google Drive account. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your Google Drive, just like I have here. See, this is the URL. You can go here, drive.google.com. So with your Gmail, you can log in there, and you can select the picture you want to extract text from. So in my own case, I'll do this guy here. Then I'll drag it and drop, so you can see the file uploading here. So once it's uploaded, you can see here. So now, to extract the text on this image, what you have to do is pretty simple. Just click on these three dots that you're seeing here, click on it, then go to open with, then click on Google Docs. So it's going to open in a new tab. Then let's see the magic that will happen there. So now the page is actually coming up, and you can see it already extracted the text on the picture, the image rather, that I uploaded. So it is pretty simple. Let me do another example so you can see that again. So I'm going to upload another image, say this. So it's uploading again. Now it's done uploading. Then you can click on the three dots again, open with, then Google Docs. So it's going to open that in another tab again. So it's loading up now. So you can see the text on this image. You can see the text. So it's already extracted. So you can copy this and use anywhere you want it. So I can copy the text to use anywhere. So it's as simple as that. See you in the next video. Thank you.